Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We got some more Dollar Tree DIYs. These are gonna be like super farmhouse. They are so stinking cute. I'm like super excited to show you guys. I've already done them, and then I do an intro, and then I just tell you how much I love these. But these are pretty simple. I had a little bit of trouble on the first one or the second one. I don't know which one I'm gonna show you first because I haven't edited my video yet, so who knows what's gonna happen. But I'm making a basket, and it ends up being super, super cute, but it was pretty kind of sort of complicated. So before I get started, do you guys ever have those days where you have so much to do and you just don't want to do any of it, and then you don't, and then it accumulates and gets like huge? Well, you guys, like I have that issue right now in my craft room. I have so many things I want to do, accomplish, clean in my whole entire house, but this craft room is like so overwhelming. That's where I am right now. I'm like on one wall where this is not even like what I want it to be like, but you guys, this is what my craft room looks like over here. Look at this. There's just stuff on top of stuff, and then we got, what do we got over here? Well, you can't even see anything over. Actually, that's like the good side of the room. I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna show you, like, guys, the worst side of the room, and then we're just gonna get started. This is how bad life gets sometimes. It's insane. Why is there so much stuff everywhere? Please tell me I'm not the only one. So the first thing is I took an 8x10 canvas from the Dollar Tree, and that was only obviously $1. And if you can see how messy it is, because I tried to take spray adhesive and I thought that would work to hold the moss together, well, it didn't. And I didn't have glue sticks, so I was trying to like improvise, which I just had to wait and actually use hot glue and get that going. So anyways, it took one bag of moss completely, and then I just trimmed it all up to make it look all nice. And then I took this All Bunnies Welcome sign and just ripped it apart and took the bunny, and I just took the back side and just painted it with the Waverly chalk paint in white. And I only had to do one coat of this, which was really, really nice, because then I didn't have to paint anymore. And me and waiting for paint to dry is just like, it's the death of me. And then I have this like thicker twine that I did pick up from Walmart. I think it was $2.97. And I just took the whole canvas and started wrapping twine around it. I love moss and I love twine, and I love using both of these in crafts, even though I know moss is like super messy. But I love how this worked, and then I just took some hot glue and glued the bunny right to the center of this. And that is it, and I love how this turned out. I think this is like one of my favorite spring and Easter DIYs I have made. I think this is so simple, yet so stinking cute. And for this next DIY, I'm just taking this like little basket liner, and I was gonna try to just wrap the nautical rope all the way around this, but it did not work. And then I just used like this little filler that looks like, I don't know, it reminds me of something that you'd put in a basket, and then all this nautical rope and some eggs. And I did, with the rope, I did use this in one DIY, and then I ripped it apart. I don't even think I showed it because I don't even think it worked. But anyways, so I tried sticking the rope just to the liner. It didn't work. So luckily I bought this little plant hanger, and I ripped all the little chains off and hangers off, and I just worked with what I had. This does not stay like perfectly in. It's kind of like messy, but I started out just taking the rope and then just wrapping it around the top. And I did not show this obviously because I don't know what I was thinking, but obviously I wasn't looking at the camera to see if I had it in. But anyways, that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking the rope and just gluing it right around the top. And then I just started taking the rope and wrapping it all the way around the basket. And I did have to go back and fix this a little bit because there was some gaps and things like that. I actually took some ribbon and wrapped it around the top. But I used 3 packs of this plus a little bit extra that I had left over because I did go around the top one more time. I'm not sure if I show that or not, but I did go around it one more time because I just did not like the way that it looked. But I love how this turned out in the end. I think it is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. And then I did just dump this whole little basket filler in, and it filled it right up to the top. It was like so nice. It was like such a perfect like size and fit for a basket. I love how big this is, and you can see that I did put the extra rope at the top, so you did see that. I did actually film that. And I did take some eggs and moss and twine, and I made some little moss eggs and some little twine eggs, and this was pretty time consuming with the twine, but I wanted them like super perfect and like nice looking. And the eggs I already had on hand, so I didn't even have to pay anything for those, which free things are always the best things.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't.
And then there's the lace ribbon that I did end up adding, but I did not show that. I used it right at the end because I did not like the way that the top looked because it was a little bit gappy. But you guys, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I absolutely love these. I think this is maybe my favorite DIY I have done so far. I think I say that in almost every single one, but I really think this is my favorite Easter one that I did. So if you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye.